how to share your level on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your level on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo, and once you are here, click on the profile icon and you're gonna find your profile up there. Now all you need to do is click on edit and you're gonna find your level, which is the third option top there. Now you can read details, rules, or you can click on share. Now you can share to Amo friends or Amo story or your WhatsApp, Facebook, or you can download your Amo level. And this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.